Hello guys, today I gonna show you that how to enable 5G and Z in Samsung Galaxy A12 in next update. How to enable 5G and Z in Samsung Galaxy A12. So this update is really nice update of October September update. So guys, now go to connections. As you can see. Now go to hotspot and tethering connections, and you go to mobile hotspot, and as you can see, this is the new feature in Samsung Galaxy A12. This is the new feature. Other brands provide better performance. Click on here. Yes, click on here and click on 5G Z. It is selected. It is selected successfully. As you can see, it is my new video on Samsung Galaxy A12. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more video on Samsung devices and more features video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.